welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrianne, and if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe. So, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a Savage X Fenty try-on haul unboxing kind of thing. So, here it is. I already finagled it open just to make sure that everything was in there. But here it is. I've waited for this thing for like 2 months now. Probably being a little dramatic about that, but it has been a long time just because the holiday season. Yeah, so they were a little understaffed at the post office. I think I ordered this back in like November, something like that, and I got it in January, so yeah. But no shade to them or the company. But yes, it's here. I'm very excited. I believe I ordered like some leggings and we're just gonna try it out. It's gonna be some casual wear in there, some like loungy things. I'm gonna try them on and do a little review about them. Also, this is the wonderful hoodie sweater situation that my brother-in-law gave me for Christmas. Thank you, Christian. It's great. It's very warm. It's a little itchy to have like without a shirt underneath it, but that's okay. And before we get any further into this, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day, because these are kind of like some Valentine's Day-ish goodies, if you know what I mean. So, Dion, if you're watching this, surprise, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright. So I don't really remember what I bought. I do believe I got like their boy short kind of situation, which I think is more of like a brief, but we'll see. Oh, it says sleepwear sleep short in navy blue. I got a size small. This is it. It doesn't really look like a short. Again, it looks like briefs. It's nice and soft. I like that. And it has like their logo on it. It says Savage. And I believe I have something else that goes with it. Let me find that. All right. Yep, I knew it. I knew I had something else that went with it. So this is the bralette. Now I have one of these already, but just in a different color, and it is the most comfortable thing you will ever put on your body. It's so comfy, which I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys this set because it's a little revealing for YouTube if you catch my drift, but we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll put it for like the members only. If you guys aren't over at my members only, it is obviously for members only. It's a subscription that you pay for, and also OnlyFans. I have an OnlyFans, you guys. I'll have that linked down below as well, so you'll probably see that over there too. Ooh, leggings! I am very excited about these leggings. I do have a pair of leggings from Savage already, but it's a different material. Ooh, these are nice. What size did I get this in? I got this in a size extra small. Yes. Some good old black leggings. You can never go wrong with that. And I have a bralette to go with it. Same as the last one, but just in black. I really hate all this plastic packaging. It's really really excessive and quite frankly unnecessary. I wish they would just like pack it up in paper, because one, plastic is really bad for the environment, and two, it's just like, why do you need so much of it? I could understand having plastic for like the outside, but they've come up with like a compostable packaging for it. So, oh, we have these shorts again, but in lavender. I think I got these in an extra small. Let's hope they fit me. I'm sure they will. I'll also be having this try on TikTok. So if you don't see all the outfits, it's because they're a little too revealing for YouTube. So it'll be either on TikTok, OnlyFans, or here. We'll see. Oh, I got a top to go with it. This is cute. You will be seeing me wearing this. Oh, I'm gonna rock this so hard, you guys. It's super cute. It's perforated. You see like the holes in it. Yeah. Super cute, and I like that it has the little logo on the back as well. Gotta take all those tags off because jeez. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not showing you guys me in this one. That's for sure. Definitely not on YouTube. So, OnlyFans for sure for this one. Yeah. Yeah, so this is also a bralette. I got it in a size extra small. Hopefully it'll fit my boobies, but we'll see. Actually, OnlyFans will see because it's see-through, so. Oh, and we have another pair of leggings. Why did I get two pairs of leggings? Oh, because they're different, that's why. All right, so that's cute. So this one has the like tie up in the back. Yeah, that's cute and super cute. All right, let's try these bad boys on. Outfit number one. It's super comfortable. This is the back. Don't know if you can still see my bra, but you can totally see the tag because I haven't cut that off yet. But super comfy. The top is big because I got it in a small. I think it was like the only size left, but the bottoms are super great. They're also a size small. I'm happy with it. Super, super comfortable. All right, I think these are gonna be my new favorite leggings. Look at how cute they are. And this bralette, super comfortable, my favorite. I have the same one already in pink, I think. Yeah, super comfortable, cotton fabric. But these leggings, oh my goodness, so comfortable. And they have like a scrunchy bottom, does that make sense? Probably not, but super comfortable. These are the second pair of leggings. They're very comfortable, but I don't really know how I feel about them. Like the back, it's kind of weird. Can you guys see that? Probably not. There you go, now you can see it. It's just not really practical. Yeah, not my favorite thing in the world. Plus they keep like riding up in the crotch area, and this is like very, very high-waisted. They're really cute, but I don't think I'll be wearing them like outside. This will probably be like an indoor kind of thing. Yeah, not very practical at all. All right guys, and that's it for the video. What was your favorite? I really loved the first set of leggings that I tried on, and those shorts, boyfriend shorts I guess they were called, those were really super comfortable. Just the whole thing, they're all super comfortable. I did try on this mesh, if I can like unravel it, my goodness. This mesh bra, it's a little itchy-ish, but super comfortable, love it. And no, it was not too small for my biddies. Yes, 100% recommend those leggings. They were super, super comfortable. And of course that bralette, love them so much. If you would like to see the navy blue set that I got, go ahead over to my TikTok. It's gonna be on there because I know YouTube can be a little funky with these things because, you know, we don't favor women's bodies, do we? Probably not. But yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite was, or if you would even try Savage X Fenty. And don't forget to subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. I'll see you guys in my next one.